Okay, welcome Junkets to video 3 of the free Fractal Expert Advisor. I'd like to point out we have dropped down to the Euro USD 5 minute up here, and we have added the accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator. So we're basically looking at a pretty standard fractal setup, except we have replaced the alligator indicator with price channel stop. I just find that it really cleans up the charts and gives you a good indication obviously of trend. I have again denoted the London Open with this blue line here. So we're going to get into the trades. Again, you could use this just with price channel and fractals. We're going to show you how to filter out trades, especially for new traders that are just getting started and getting to this this trading thing and like what they see, but need a filter for confidence. We've got a couple of those down here. Okay, let's look at our first trading opportunity. Price channel's trending up. It's blue. Blue means buy. We've got our first fractal appearing on this candle, which means at the open of this candle, our trade window is going to pop up from the expert advisor, and the stop is going to be put right here. Once you're in the trade, you want to move that stop plus the spread, which we covered in the last video. Now, just using price channel stop and this fractal setup, this looks like a pretty good buy personally, because it is touching off on the price channel that could, indicate a downward direction movement. So we would just wait for more positive candle such as this or this candle. And we can also filter that out. If we look, here is where our signal appears, and take that down. We've got red and red. So red is not for buy, red is for sell, green is for buy. So just because price channel isn't breaking, when this is happening here, you're going to see price channel will change color. However, always wait for the close of the bar or the candle to determine whether or not it's actually going to change. Don't try and guess that it's going to change. That's not a good idea. So in waiting for a positive trade, you would leave your trade window open. And if we take this candle down, as you can see, so at the close of this candle, we've got a green and we've got a green. So that is green for go. And you see, using other technical analysis, you would know you can grab anywhere, depending on where you got in, from 15 to 30 pips. Good start to the day, and for some people, that's all they want to do in a day. Not for me, not being a pip junkie. All right, let's move on to our next trade. The open of the candle. Here's the fractal. Here's your stop. You'll have to decrease your lots on this trade simply because your stop is a little bit further away. Now let's take that down. We've got a green, whoops, and a red. New traders I would recommend staying out of this. More experienced traders could, with their technical analysis, could easily take this trade. It's right around news time as well. I don't recommend making trades before noon. Before news, this whipsaw up could have easily been a whipsaw down and stopped you out. And, depending on market conditions, could have quite easily skipped your stop, and you would have been looking at a pretty big loss. Next trade set up. Here's the open. Here's your stop. We're not considering any of these because price channel is on the way up. So let's take that down. We've got a red and a green. New traders, stay out of it. More experienced traders, if you're confident, take the position. And at worst, you're going to break even when this comes back around, right in this area here. So not a bad trade, but two good trades anyways. At least one for new traders and possibly three for more experienced traders. But one anyways, 15 to 30 pips right at the London Open. Great way to start the day. All right, let's move around to price channel stop trending down now. If you didn't take this trade here, your next opportunity comes right here at this candle here, and there's your stop. And again, remember, it will be changing color. Price channel stop will be changing color here. However, close a bar, and fractal says it's still downward. Take that down. Everything is red. Okay, so that's an easy sell. And you can see it moves a few pips and bounces around a bit. Your technical analysis would eventually tell you that it's okay to stay in that trade. We have another trade setup coming here again. Price is bouncing off or close to price channel stop, and a sell signal will come on. We look down, red and red. There's your stop. And more experienced traders add to your lots. Newer traders this may be your first trade, or um, you may just be staying in your previous trade. So again, technical analysis tells me to stay in. We get a nice movement down, and then the junk starts. You will, one thing I should note out too is you're going to get windows pop up at each of these buys and sells. They just come on every fractal. So you'll hear that little dog chew toy noise, and you can see that it's a buy. It would simply look and say, well, it's below price channel. I'm not taking a buy. Only take the sells in this situation. Let's get to this trade because it's a little bit trickier. You can see that your trade window is going to pop up here. Here is your stop. Here's what I don't like about this. Now, if we disregard these two filters for now, this is quite far away from price channel. Again, we want to see these types of situations where it's touching off of price channel stop, such as here and here and here. But right here, we're a little bit far away. We've got some junk happening, and we're not sure what to do. Well, take that down. You can see we've got two greens far away from price channel. It's not a very good trade. Would wait for it to be either bouncing off of price channel or possibly going the other way. Next trading opportunity is here. Take that down, a red and a green. More experienced traders might see that as a possibility. New traders stay out until you're comfortable with using this so-called system to trade. So quite easy. You'd have, if you're a new trader, you'd have at least 3 good trades out of this, and made some pips, anywhere from 15 to 60, depending on when you've gotten in, when you've gotten out. And the expert advisor will simply pop up your trade window and tell you that there's a trading opportunity. It's your decision whether or not to take that. Again, remember to make sure that it's on manual confirmation. It's not a set and forget. It just reduces your time staring at the charts. The next video, we're running out of time, so we'll end this video. The next video will be a live demonstration of using this during the London session on real dollars, and we'll show you just a few setups. We're not going to teach you everything there is about trading, but you'll see a few live trades, and you can see how it works as we're going along. We'll see you on the next video.